In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your Wi-Fi name and password. Before we do get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. What you're going to want to do if you want to do this is actually open up a web browser of your choice. And you can either do this on a phone or computer, but in my case, I'm going to do it on my PC right here using Google Chrome, but essentially find your router's IP address, and usually this is found on either the back or bottom of your router. Sometimes it's in the manual as well. In this case, I'm going to use the default one of 192.168.0.1, but essentially go ahead and hit enter on this page and it's going to load for a second. And once it does load, you're going to want to log in with your username and password, which is also on the router itself. Default is usually just admin and then admin for the password as well. But essentially look for your network or wireless network on your router's interface. If you do have 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, go ahead and repeat for both, but essentially change the SSID and password. So edit those SSID to your preferred Wi-Fi name and then change the WPA key to set a new password, and then make sure you do save this at the very bottom. And then from here, you may need to reset your router. Most nowadays do apply those changes automatically, but others do require a reboot. After doing so though, you've now updated your Wi-Fi name and password. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And if this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.